My name's Marcus Johnson. I'm from Pittsburgh, PA, and I play linebacker, running back, and I'm excited to play this year.
I'm back going hard again. I'm shutting down my heart again.
This next play, we might win.
They got no I'm my best to act like I didn't care, but I can't hold it in. I'm not in the losing, I go hard as I can go to win. You pillow talking the hoes again, you breaking the code again. I'm on the road again, I'm slicking this with them hoes again. This chopper do tricks, you gon' fold it in. I know they be hating, I still pros, they we still on they block like we posed to slid. They dropping with me on my road to ridge. We didn't oversold the load again. Too many plays, been up for too many days. Boy, you a got feminine ways. I get the drop, I'ma pay that, bring where you stay. I had to check on my man, think he part of the clique. Keep him mad, he got too many chains. I had to run